got it! Cosmic Discord.
What?
Cosmic Discord. A 2D, side-scrolling, beat-em-up.
But that's been done before.
Not like this they haven't. We're going to have a musical element in our game, where the player has command of rhythmic powers in a universe of music.
What?
No, I think I get it. Imagine a universe of musical planets and people, each with its own style, like a planet mining and exporting rock, and a cool jazz ice world.
Or J-pop.
Exactly. Now we're on to it. I'll explain. Mike, you play.
Imagine a universe where all life is connected by a mysterious energy called the Vibe. All manner of creatures can feel it and display their unique understanding of it through music. Our band of heroes, for example, can utilize the force of rock and the power of electro with their instruments of death. They will go to the land of J-pop and cut down the synthetic armies that dwell there.
So how does the music come into it?
I have an idea. So the player would select, say, 4 chords to use, and then music would play that would fit those 4 chords. And then this music that plays would have an in-game effect, whether it be damaging or protective.
Exactly. What do you mean?
Well, like this.
So we need a touchscreen then?
The most obvious choice would be Android and iOS. I mean, they have the largest user base. Most people will be able to get a game to the most people.
But there's also Bada.
Yeah, but Bada's it's early days for it, so there isn't really much of a user base.
But it's Samsung. It's a huge company, so they'll be able to push their own tech. And plus, unlike Android and iOS, there isn't very much competition. So once we get our game on there, you know, it'll be easily noticed and it'll shoot to the top.
Yeah, I suppose that's true. What about the PlayStation Vita?
Interesting option. You know, as far as touchscreen technology goes, you know, the Vita packs the most punch. Plus, you know, with the controller and the buttons, you'll be able to take some of the interface off the screen.
But then, it is unproven tech.
Right, enough of the technical jargon. Who are we aiming this at?
Well, I see it as being for anyone about 12 to 25. It's out there, it's eye-catching with all the different styles of music. I think there's something for everybody.
Yeah, I mean, we could even, you know, go up to the ages of 40. With the 2D beam-up style we've got, we'll get the classic gamers, you know, remember the arcades.
Alright, plan. Within week 1, character and environment designs finalised by yours truly. And then animations start.
Don't forget, I'll be uploading the level designs and the boss battle storyboards.
I didn't forget. The aim after that, for the 5th week, would be fully rendered backgrounds and all character animations done.
I'll be doing the music after the level design and the storyboards are done.
And from the 5th week onward, boss battle and cutscenes done by me again.
For us, within the first few weeks we should have a basic framework and also have a look at our chosen hardware.
Yeah, that's right. And then in the middle few weeks we should have a working prototype working on the computer, and then also trying to move that across onto our chosen device. And we'll also start trying to implement some of the music and the sounds into the game.
And after that, it's just problem solving, bug fixing, and polish.
Alright then, let's play.
Oh, we haven't made it yet.
Has it been 5 minutes yet?